Welcome to TSS Automotive. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most anticipated luxury vehicles of the year, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz 325. This model has captured the attention of automotive enthusiasts around the world, and for good reason. With its blend of refined elegance, cutting-edge technology, and performance upgrades, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz 325 represents the next step forward in the brand's legendary legacy. Let's start with the design. The 2025 325 carries the timeless sophistication Mercedes-Benz is known for, but it's now paired with sharper lines and a bolder presence on the road. The redesigned front grille features a wider stance, flanked by slimmer, high-definition LED headlamps. These not only enhance visibility but also add a futuristic flair to the front profile. The body features smoother aerodynamic elements, with sculpted side panels and chrome trim that subtly emphasizes the vehicle's luxury character. At the rear, the taillights have been reshaped into a sleek, wraparound design that gives the car a modern and athletic finish. Under the hood, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz 325 offers a finely tuned 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, delivering approximately 255 horsepower and 295 pounds-feet of torque. It's paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission that ensures smooth, quick shifts. For drivers who crave even more control, paddle shifters are integrated into the steering wheel. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating urban streets, the performance feels refined, responsive, and agile. The powertrain is optimized not only for power but also for fuel efficiency, striking an impressive balance between performance and practicality. Inside, the cabin of the 325 continues Mercedes-Benz's tradition of high craftsmanship and modern aesthetics. Premium leather, brushed aluminum, and ambient LED lighting set the mood from the moment you step in. The 2025 model features the latest generation of the MBUX infotainment system. A dual-screen setup, consisting of a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.8-inch touchscreen display, dominates the dashboard. The interface is fast, intuitive, and offers advanced voice recognition, allowing drivers to operate most functions hands-free. Comfort and convenience are top priorities in the 325. The front seats offer heating, ventilation, and massage functions. Rear passengers are not forgotten, with generous legroom, adjustable climate controls, and optional heated seats. Mercedes-Benz has also refined the suspension system in this model, enhancing ride quality even further. Whether you're in the driver's seat or relaxing in the back, every ride feels smooth and composed. Safety is another area where the 2025 Mercedes-Benz 325 shines. It comes equipped with Mercedes' latest driver assistance package. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies work seamlessly together to create a semi-autonomous driving experience that significantly reduces driver stress during long journeys or in heavy traffic. In terms of connectivity, the 325 is fully integrated with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a built-in navigation system with augmented reality that overlays turn-by-turn directions on a live camera feed of the road ahead. A wireless charging pad, multiple USB-C ports, and a premium Burmester sound system round out the tech package, ensuring that entertainment and connectivity are always within reach. Buyers will also have a variety of trim options and customization choices. From sporty AMG styling packages to elegant wood interior accents, you can tailor the 325 to your own personal taste. Mercedes-Benz is also offering a range of eco-conscious materials for the interior, highlighting the brand's commitment to sustainability without compromising luxury. Another notable update in the 2025 325 is its integration with over-the-air software updates. This means your vehicle can receive the latest features, improvements, and even bug fixes remotely, a feature that ensures your car stays current and optimized without a trip to the dealership. On the road, the 2025 325 feels like a complete package. The steering is precise, the cabin remains whisper quiet even at high speeds, and the acceleration is confident without being aggressive. This car is not just about performance or technology, it's about how all these elements come together to create an experience that's effortlessly luxurious and deeply satisfying. That brings us to the end of this in-depth look at the 2025 Mercedes-Benz 325. It's clear that this model isn't just an evolution, it's a refined statement of what modern luxury should be. From its sleek design and intelligent technology to its smooth performance and comfort, the 325 delivers in every category. If you enjoyed this video and want more detailed reviews like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TSS Automotive. Turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest in the world of premium cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.